Tyler found a GTO he wants, and we're gonna scout out ahead and see if it's one sitting in the guy's yard. Let's go look. Somewhere up here it should be a GTO sitting in a yard. That's not it. Okay, maybe the next one. That's it, right?
Your destination is on the right.
Do it.
I don't wanna, bro.
Come on, let's do it now. You can back. I won't get out of the car.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
My friend got my friend. The carburetor though, my friend, it's backfiring through. It ain't.
Yeah.
The mixture up on it ain't right, my friend. I just rebuilt it and it got stopped up or something.
Yeah.
Everything but the front bumper, headline, and carpet, my friend got my friend.
Yeah.
And the windshield. That's the only thing. Other than them 4 things right there, it ain't nothing, my friend. It really, I got everything else.
Yeah.
Solid, my friend though.
Well, hey, he's on the way. He's on the way. I just gonna stop and let you know.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Heck yeah.
That's a real GTO. All right, let's go get the trailer. Trying to swap cars and I'm with them. We headed back over to where the trailer. We're gonna say about loading it up. There we go. We're back.
Mighty big.
You have arrived.
We have arrived, as they yeah. Let's load him up.
Yeah, just start. Other than that, shit, it didn't hurt us.
There's a GTO following you right on your bumper. Gonna grab some fuel, but man, there's a GTO on the back of the trailer. 66, got a 67 grill in it. That's a good car. Good car to build. All right, we made it back. 3 days before we're leaving, going to cruising the coast. But any day you can pick up a GTO is a good day. And it's in pretty dang good shape. This is an original red, I can't remember the name of the red, with parchment interior car. This car was a 4-speed car. Somebody's got an automatic in it now. But she was born 389 and a 4-speed, but whoever did it, I think they had a 67 parts car they put this one together with. But it does have the his and hers shifter now. That is just too cool. Showing how many miles? 21. 21,000 miles. It's got the right steering wheel. Man, I dig it. And it's pretty solid. It's got some cheese holes there. Rockers are good. A little bit in the back, but one like this, you'll put 4 pans in it. Trunk's got a little bit, but it's not awful. You got the right door panels.
Got the right wood grain dash.
Yeah. It's pretty awesome. Somebody got a Sunpro tack in it. Wow. Too cool. And the door shut really well on it. Hood shuts great. Trunk shuts great. It's a good place to start. We got to get to work. It's Sunday, and we got to get to work to get everybody ready for cruising. We've got 3 more that are almost done. We're gonna give them a final cleaning, wax down, and hopefully we're heading out Thursday morning, bright and early. Y'all come see us down there.